Agriculture can thrive only in rich soil. There is simply no other way. Regeneration of soil is invigoration of life. Unfortunately, we have short-term ideas that we think by throwing salts, by doing tricks, we can grow food. There is simply no other way. We have to regenerate the soil. Only then there is invigoration of life. Without rich soil, agriculture is a disaster. Every responsible scientist in the world is clearly pointing out that in another 20 years, there will be severe food shortages in the world. This could affect millions of lives and could lead to civil war situations in many countries due to food shortages. Even in the coming year, in the next 6 to 8 months, it is predicted large-scale famines will unfold in many African nations. And it will be silly to think only Africa suffers famines, only Africa suffers food shortages. It could come everywhere. Look at the number of suicides in India, the farmer suicides. You can give so many reasons, but tell me please that if the soil is really rich, will any farmer commit suicide? If the soil is rich enough to even grow food for his own family, will anyone commit suicide? Will anyone migrate, leaving their traditional lands to unknown places if the soil is rich? This is something that has to be done, regenerating the world's soil. This is necessary for our survival. This is a fundamental responsibility that we have for future generations. Rich soil is rich life. Regeneration is invigoration of life.